Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We're just taking a quick look at Vechain here, and as we can see, it does look as though it has finally come up to that sort of area that we were talking about before. You can see our previous order that we were thinking of placing. Once we came back up to test this previous level here, you can see that the price has come back up to this area, up at around that 1.8 cent level, as you can see, finally coming back up to test some of that previous support as resistance here. We were talking about how Vechain had, it'd come into a little bit of a range here, and then you can see over the past few days we have had a little bit of a renaissance in the altcoin market, as quite a lot of altcoins have had a few decent green days up around 5, 6, 7%, as it's finally come back up to retest a previous level here. You can see that we've come up to this today and looking like we are getting a little bit of a rejection at this level, which is in and around this previous area of support, as we said. And we'd probably be looking at this area to be a decent area of resistance, where we might put in a bit of a short position in this area with the stop loss just above here, as you can see, this previous level of structure. You'd probably expect a little bit of sideways action here and a rejection, considering how stark the downtrend has been over the past few weeks for the altcoin market in general. But if we do see a continuation, we'd probably expect Vechain to come back up and all the way back up here really to around that 2.15 cent level and retest this area before getting a continuation to the downside, because in reality it does look as though Vechain hasn't actually retested this area here, apart from obviously when we came down here, came down, consolidated. You'd think you'd get a retest here before continuation, but we did get a continuous rollover, so you'd probably expect a bit more of a retest up in this area fairly soon. But as we said, judging by the current stark downtrend that we are in, as you can see these lower lows and lower highs, this would be the area where you'd probably expect a rejection and a continuation to the downside for Vechain, which would also be our assessment considering what we are looking at here. You can see as well, we obviously, as we said, had that descending wedge formation here that we did get the breakout of, and we've come back up to retest again that bear market resistance here that we did test here, but then get a strong rejection after that FTX collapse. Now coming back up to that area again, so another strong resistance area where you'd probably expect things essentially to roll over and continue to the downside. So that would be our assessment for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.